Ladies and gentlemen, this is an update video on Forsage. Last video, I touched on the program and why I'm not promoting this and why you shouldn't promote it either. This is going to be an update and really a warning video for anybody looking to invest, anybody who's on the fence, anybody who doesn't really understand what this program is about. I'm going to share a little information with you so that you can be able to make an informed decision. So what we're looking at right now is my account. I paid $15, so 0.025 that's about $15 in Ethereum. I joined under a guy named Joshua Elder, who's an affiliate marketer. He has if you type in Forsage, his video comes up first. So I figure, hey, good as a sponsor as any, to be able to see what is the potential to be able to participate in this program and make as much as possible without doing anything. Again, I joined this program as a tire kicker, not intending to build it because I'm comparing it to other programs that are cryptocurrency related that you don't have to build, but you can still build your cryptocurrency. This program is not. We're going to look at a few things real quick. One of those things is my ID number, 310892. What's cool about this, again, is that you can search this. So let's log out. 310892. You can look at any number, any ID number, right? So you can verify, and that's really unique about this system is that it is transparent. And that's the only reason I won't say that it's a scam. While it is a Ponzi, and Ponzi's are illegal, I won't be sharing it. But in terms of transparency and is this a scam, I can't say it's a scam because, you've got a video like this telling you what you're getting into. All right. So look at my number, 310892. We're looking at every 24 hours. I've been in the program, I don't know, a couple weeks or so. I have no idea. Not that long. But we've been seeing these similar numbers, 10,000 a day. Right now, last 24 hours, it says 13,784. We've got over 102,000 that have joined the program, or close to 102,000 that have joined the program since I joined the program. So this is what's going to be concerning to anybody, and again, a warning for anyone who's looking at joining, and why you should definitely 100% not join, no matter who your sponsor is, no matter how good they are, because again, we've got 100,000 people who have joined this program. I joined under, a top ClickBank affiliate, a top affiliate marketer, whatever. And we're going to look at his count in just a second. And I've got absolutely no spillover, not anything. So what happens to the money that, or the cryptocurrency that I put in, this 0.025? It does absolutely nothing. It doesn't grow. It doesn't. I can't take it out. It's gone. It's gone, and I'll never get it. Why? Because in terms of how do spillover occur? Well, when you've got so many different positions, it's never going to happen. It's never going to happen. And if it is, it's not going to be worth participating in, again, because there are no products. It's not. There's nothing happening to your cryptocurrency. You're simply just giving it to somebody else. So let's take a look at his account. Let's look at Joshua's account. This is his ID number. And let's log out and look at it. We can look at it from here, but let's log out and look at it. 290,867. 290,867. All right. So, he did practice what he preached, or is preaching, in terms of he did, pay for all the way up. When he joined, he paid all the way up to the top, and which is 51.2 ethereum, and he asked others to do the same thing. Well, there are people uh, that are doing the same thing, and being that they are doing the same thing, you see these different levels where there is spillover occurring. I was the 12th person to join him, and I've received no spillover. I see he's sponsored 92 people. We can take a look at that. It says it right here, 92. But then also, we can go and look at partners, and you can actually see the different registrations. So quite a few registrations. You can see, um, you know, is anybody doing anything and what they did on these different levels. So again, I applaud the transparency, um, but you know, he's been able to generate 99.95 ethereum. I think that's what that means. But again, the whole point is he's promoting. He's got 92 people in the business. Is it duplicating? No, it's not duplicating. You got a few people sharing it. One, two, two here, three here. A few people that are sharing it, but most people, if you join the program, you probably figured out real quick. Depending on some of you guys probably had a heart attack after you probably just trusted this guy and just joined him, and then you figured out real quick that hey, well, how does this compensation plan work? In marketing, they tell you if you don't know how to do something, or if you don't have all the information, um, and you've got an opportunity that's presented to you, just take the opportunity and figure it all out later, right? And so you have some people taking advantage of that, and I have to say that that is something that I got to call Josh out for. He took advantage of that. For these people who joined this program, he said, "Hey, figure it out. Just join me right now." And I was one of those people. I only put up $15, but I feel bad for these guys who came in on some of these higher levels, and they're not gonna make any money. And why aren't you gonna make any money? Because you've got to do all the work. And so unless you've got some special kind of skills like Mr. Elder, it's not going to do you any good. So you're just going to be promoting this Ponzi. You're going to put yourself at risk, um, because it is illegal, and it's of no benefit to you, and you wouldn't put your mother in it. So don't share it with your neighbor, right? So um, can't I can I this is a warning for you guys. Hey, um, there's no upside to this. It's not gonna there's gonna be people who continue to promote it, but the fun is over. You had the people who were there at the beginning of this 400 and something thousand, but because there's no program, there's no product, there's nothing happening, there's no trading, there's no way to produce any growth for you other than simply the referrals. It's a straight up Ponzi, a straight up scam, and I'm pretty shocked that I think the last video I made, the guy was at like 50 something, but he's still promoting it. You guys are still signing up. I was one of those guys who signed up, but I will not share this. Absolutely not. So, hope you guys found this information useful. I hope this saved some of you guys some heartache, and some stress and some worry. And stay tuned for more videos. I'll be showing you places where you can put your cryptocurrency, even if you're not going to promote, and it will be beneficial to you. So if you want to do the same thing that I did, which is put in $15, and see. Let me again take that back. Put in your Bitcoin, put in your cryptocurrency, $15 worth of cryptocurrency. You're not able to put in fiat currency. So forgive me for using that terminology, but put in your cryptocurrency and watch your cryptocurrency grow. Bitcoin is the cryptocurrency that you can use in that particular program. So put in your cryptocurrency and see what happens with it. It's nothing like this program. It's not a Ponzi. There's actually a product that actually is a service, and you can feel good about sharing it. And this is something that that does not exist in this program. So again, I hope this was useful to some of you guys. Hopefully I saved some of you guys from wasting your money and also promoting a complete scam. All right.